Hi, today you've heard of me, Lenovo Tab M7 TV, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter Green Apple Keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near Green Apple Keyboard, tap once on the switcher, click twice to OK, and go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the Green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's see the look of our keyboard, and we can see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.